Hi guys, welcome back. So I was going to an old spot that I know, and I saw another road and thought, you know what, I'm gonna see what's down there. So like 15 miles of back gravel road later, I actually found a campground. Campground wasn't too bad, not a single person there, but I thought I'm gonna drive a little farther. So I came up like not even a mile. There's also one right over there. Very primitive, of course. Up by a nice little stream. Definitely digging that. And it's not even that cold. Starting to kind of set up a camp here. Just heating up some water to do some dishes. Got some soap at the store and a sponge from last video. So that water's too cold to really get them very clean. Already got a fire going. Well, I mean, a little bit of a fire, but anyway. Already did a firewood search. That saved some time. Found like just logs laying everywhere. Pretty nice. So, yeah, this is turned out to be a pretty good day of camping. Leaves are nice and colorful. It was cloudy all day. Sun just came out of nowhere. Nice and warm. Currently 58 degrees. Nice t-shirt weather for me anyways. But I knew I wanted to get a lot of wood because it's going to be cool later, so keep working on that fire and hopefully get started on dinner because it's a little bit of a process and I don't want to be eating it dark like I always do. So I'm going to work on this fire and maybe have a soda. We're going to do a little Beerside Creek review. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to do a Creekside beer review. I think that's how that goes. Definitely never had this one. Leinenkugel Red Lager, robust red Vienna style lager. I like pretty much any of the Leinenkugels. Like, they're pretty good. So I have high hopes, but I don't know if this is like a brand new beer. I don't recall ever seeing it ever like before. 4.9. It's not too crazy, pretty average. I don't care a lot for beer in bottles usually for some reason. That ain't bad. That is a little robust. Slightly robust, I'll give them. Oh, that's smooth though. I like that. That is not bad at all. I know I've had Leinenkugels before on the channel, but I don't remember anything. Pride of Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. Yeah, that's it. Serving size 12 ounces, 4.9%, 166 calories, so a little steep. A little steep. But that is tasty. That'd be good with dinner, like a steak or something. I dig it. Couldn't find like a 22, so I got 6 of them, so that's a good thing. I'll finish those at some point. I don't think I can have 6 all at once. I'll probably have to break it up. But 1 or 2 at a time, that'd be pretty solid. Yeah, I'd give it like a 7.2. It's really not a bad beer at all. Light's getting a touch lower. So, fire's going. Got some coals going. I need to get started on my sauce. I've not made my own red sauce for a while. I know it's not complicated. I'm probably gonna mess it up. So just bear with me. See if I can't make this edible. So we're going San Marzano, peeled tomatoes. Smoke right in my eyeballs. Get those going. Way too hot right off the bat. Let's get that over because I like for that to simmer for a while. Mushrooms and onions are looking pretty good, smelling really good. Tomatoes going along really well. So, time to add some more ingredients. I'm gonna go with a little basil, some oregano, and some parsley. I don't get too crazy with my stuff. I don't need that pointless topper thing. That should be too much for sure. Gotta go with an excessive amount of garlic, obviously. Or just whatever I have left in here. Also think it's about time the onions and the mushrooms join the party. Now I know everybody out there that knows what they're doing is not going to like this probably, because I'm probably butchering this recipe, but it's just kind of how I do it, and it tastes good. Alright, got a little breading station going here. I just went with the Italian style. They're usually not too bad. Kind of pre-seasoned breadcrumbs, eggs, Purdue chicken cutlets. I don't think I've ever had these, but we'll try them out. I don't like mine like super thick breading, so I'm just going to opt for the single dunk today. Probably just going to cook all these because I want chicken going bad. That's a thick one right there. Got a pretty large loaf of bread for some reason. Well, that's all they had. 3 of these will probably take up that bread. So I'll be eating these sandwiches for 2 days. So I usually put like crushed red pepper in mine, but I think I'm gonna go with this black truffle. You guys caught this on a video here. I don't know, it's been a few weeks back now, but stuff's really good. It says hot sauce, and it's got like a couple little flames, but it's really not. It just has a good flavor, and I think it's going to be good in there. So I'm going to add all of it, because it's like half the bottle, and it's not that much. Alright, let's see if we're ready for a flip. Gonna be getting close by now. Or burnt, I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gonna be tasty. Gotta go with a little mozzarella on here. It's not like good and fresh or anything, but still should taste all right. Try to get on here while it's nice and warm and it'll actually melt. But it's just stuck together, so I don't think it's gonna. There we go. Cheese them out just a little bit more. It's got the bread toasted, a little aggressively on that side, but it'll be just fine. Go with 2 per side. Got a little of our campfire tomato sauce here. Make a nice huge mess all over my face. It's gotta be saucy. All right. You say we try this thing. Already messy. And already on my shirt. One bite in. Okay, I may have went a little heavy on the sauce. Very hot. Chicken done, nice and crispy. I know it's all over my face. I don't even have to look. I know there are some pretty good store-bought sauces. So much better when you just do it yourself. And it's not that hard. I would normally let that simmer on low for like a lot more time. But I mean, it's been going for a while. So it's not bad. I'm gonna let it go even longer. Make the other half. Eat that sometime. Hopefully not tonight. Because this half is like that big. It's literally on my pant leg. That was one nice thick piece of chicken. I've been wanting to make one of these on the channel for a while. That truffle sauce in with the tomato sauce, not bad at all. Just gives like a nice little flavor. It's not, no heat at all. There wasn't even enough in there to give it any heat. But I tasted it before the truffle went in. It was just fine as it is. I thought. Like I say, some of you are going to be a little upset for, you know, specific reasons. But just kind of how I do it. It usually turns out pretty good. Yep, I am a fan of that. So, the other half of this half is like too much. But you know, I'm going to do it anyways. I mean, it's like going to a restaurant and getting like a sandwich. I mean, I've had way worse at a restaurant, flavor-wise. I'm calling this a win. Yep, that's light. Sunlight, actually. That is dinner done, dishes done, beer review done. Still light out. Can you even believe it? I'm really coming around. I'm getting better at this. Yep, next time it'll be in the dark. But I'm proud of myself this time. Actually got here early enough to actually make like, mostly a home cooked meal and eat it before dark. My gut is completely full. That's too much, but it was tasty. I liked it. Got a lot of firewood, but it's gonna cool down, and I feel like having a nice big tall fire. So Might go look for a little more wood. Stack that up real nice and high and relax for a little bit, huh? Yep, that sounds good. Well, as you can see, it's morning time. Very nice morning at that. Got some clouds out, but it's super sunny and nice and warm now. Got a little chilly last night. I didn't get so much cold in there, like my nose got a little chilly like once, but I'm literally sleeping under like a comforter, like with plain socks, and like I'm not ready for cold at all. So, not bad because it did get down in the 30s here. Don't know what it got at home. Probably not quite that low. It's another one of those peats. I think I had one in some recent video. A little sweet, not too bad. Real cream and sugar. Caramel, I'm not even going to try. I'm sure that that's not just dulce. Dulce, I don't know if it's like a fancier pronunciation. I don't know. 270 calories. Yeah, it's a lot more than I expected. It's not bad. 95 grams of caffeine. It's equal to 1 cup of coffee. It's not bad. It's like not so overpowering of a caramel flavor. It's actually not super sweet. I don't mind it. One more sip. It's getting better as I go. Yeah, ain't bad. Not my favorite, but I would for sure get it again. I just don't see these everywhere. Have you guys ever heard of these? I see them like sheets, I think is it for around here, but it ain't bad. I'd give it like a 7.6. It's really not terrible. So, got everything packed. Definitely have some things to do at home, so I don't really have time to hang out and make breakfast and all that, but I do not want to leave because I've never been here, but I will be back. This is a really primitive, nice camping area. There hasn't been anyone camping at all, even throughout the campground down the road. I saw one random site like 8 miles back in the middle of complete nowhere off the road that had like a few vehicles and like a big army tent, and they had a really nice setup going, it looked like. So I will be back here for sure. Maybe come up and do some winter camping. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the sandwich, because I sure did. Kind of nice to make something a little more homemade finally on the channel. I don't ever want to put like just hot dogs out for you guys if I can avoid it, you know what I mean? I like to make something worth watching. But if it's something like this pigs in a blanket I've never done, hopefully somebody enjoyed that one. So yeah, hopefully some more good recipes and different things to eat in the future. But yeah, I'm trying to get you guys some like fall content around here because it's usually pretty nice. So I'm gonna try to get maybe some shots on the way out because I didn't get to get many coming in. So stick around to the end, maybe you'll get to see another shot or two. These are falling pretty quickly though, so probably got one more week. But stick around for that, and I'll try to get you some more. There's plenty of scenic spots around, so yeah. But for now, thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching.